Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the dynamic framing mode for the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. So the dynamic framing mode allows you to use the golden ratio and the rule of thirds in your camera to make recordings much more cinematic and easier to record. So to enable it, we need to enable the video mode first. Then click on this icon on the left. It can look different for you. So it looks like that by default. Then we're going to select the middle icon, so dynamic framing, and then click start. And here, if you push the joystick, let's just wait for this to disappear. There we go. If you push the joystick, it's going to show you where it's going to be focusing on. So as you can see, if you go to the corners, this golden ratio appears. And just pretty much you can use this for the rule of thirds. And once that's done, it's just going to always lock the subject into the chosen position. So let me just use this as an example. Let me just exit out and position the camera so we can see. Let's, for example, use this plant right here. And once we start the dynamic framing and set it to top right and start recording, it's always pretty much going to be locked in once it detects it. I'm pretty sure it works better on faces. But as you can see, during recording, I can also switch it like that. And that is pretty much it. So, thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you. And make sure to like and subscribe.